It's island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back, beautiful people, to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, hope you all are well. You see me? So in today's video, guys, yeah, I'm not in Casino, I'm not in New South Wales, I'm in the state of Queensland. Yeah, man, in a place called Cairns. Yeah, so me and Babe took a trip here and thing, you see me? So they she can get some food and thing, you see me? Yeah, so I don't know what I'll be doing on the channel as yet, but you know, just stick around and wait and see. Queensland is, I mean, Cairns is a very, it's much warmer than New South Wales. Yeah, man, it's they say it never really gets like winter like too cold here, so it's a different climate overall here, guys, isn't it? Yeah, man, and it's also known for saltwater crocodiles, and yeah, and it's also close to the Great Barrier Reef. I think this town is the closest town to the Great Barrier Reef. If you guys know the Great Barrier Reef, it's like the biggest reef in the world. Yeah, so this is the closest town to it. Yeah, man, so, and based on videos that I've watched here, it's very good for fishing as well. Yeah, man, so, you know, maybe you guys will see see some fishing in this video. You know what I mean? So stick around for that. So the population in Cairns is over 150,000 people according to Google. And also, guys, another thing to note is that the state of Queensland that we're in right now is that it's also known to be the skin cancer capital of the world, not just in Australia, but according to Google, of the world. You know what I mean? So you don't want to play around with the sun here in Queensland. Yeah, man, it's different out here. But what I've also noticed is that I've seen a lot of islanders out here, a lot of Africans, lots of Aboriginals. Yeah, so it's very multicultural, you can tell. But yeah, man, it's beautiful to see. Now, let me just show you some clips. So this is the beautiful Cairns. And they also have coconut trees here, guys. Like, if we were to literally drive from Casino, it would have took us 24 hours. But the change of the climate is so different that you can grow coconut here. You know, in Casino you can't grow it there. You know, so it's so different. Yeah, man. And we have little Bobo here asleep, fully knocked out right now. Yeah, man. So stick around, guys, and also check out the family channel. If you guys want to see all the contents of Cairns, check out the family channel. That's where you guys will get all the videos. Yeah, man, but this will just be some exclusive videos, you know what I mean, on my end here, is it? So stick around, let's go. You here? Yeah. No, wrong with it.
Didn't do it properly, I just whatever.
Yeah. Artificial pool. Oh, this battery needs to charge. 8%.
Come on this way.
I think I didn't charge this one. Guys, so we're in a night market here in Cairns.
What time do you close? 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Is that everyone? Or?
Beautiful. They have everything from gift shops, food, clothes, everything, guys. Nice island, come. Can babies get that? Yeah, true. So those are just naturally not decorated?
No, that's what they cut shape, not like polishing it to make like a ring
or a bracelet or
Yeah.
necklace.
beautiful. Like it.
Yeah.
Look out this way and I'll walk around.
Yeah.
Wow, mango smoothie, mango
Island.
yogurt, mango frappe, mango
Everything.
everything. Wow, it's beautiful.
Lovely. It's getting dark now. Yeah, it's not gonna swell. Yeah. Yeah, you can tell it. And it's so small, but so many people in there. It's okay.
Probably one of the dreadlocks at that dreadlock store I told you about.
Yeah,
There's so many shops here, guys.
beautiful. There. Sky rail. Oh, shoot. Sky rail settings. Deep mountain, deep forest. It's more quiet over that side. Everything is over
Across
here.
that way.
Would you like to hear a few animals have? Cassowary, crocodile, kangaroo?
It's alright. Yeah.
We might come back. Thank you.
Okay, have a wonderful day, guys.
Oh.
I did not see her coming that way about that.
He's eating so much.
呼び込みもうるさくないです。
Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Town of Coranda. All the way up in the mountain. This is really beautiful. Crocodile.
That's champagne.
Yeah, it's right. Right here.
All these things are down where we live mostly.
Yeah,
If you think about it, isn't it?
yeah. Gets quiet down this end.
Let me see, Daddy. Oh, Oh, yeah. You're lucky. He's lucky. Lucky boy. Go, Bobo. Go, go.